Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about PMOS transistor fabrication. Our PMOS transistor fabrication starts with the selection of N-type silicon substrate. First, we will take silicon substrate and then it is doped with N-type impurities such as phosphorus, antimony and then bismuth. So we will be getting N-type silicon substrate. Then we are going to deposit silicon dioxide which is having 1 micrometer thickness all over the surface. This procedure is known as thermal oxidation. It will protect the surface from contamination as well as it will act like insulating layer between gate and the other terminals. And then we move on to photolithography. So where we are going to first deposit a light sensitive material called photoresist and then it is exposed to ultraviolet radiation. So here you could see ultraviolet radiation is applied through a mask or window. So where we are going to form active areas such as drain and source. So here you could see the etching procedure. So wherever we have applied ultraviolet light through a window, so there we have removed the photoresist as well as the weak portion of oxide from the surface. So this procedure is known as etching process. So here we are going to form source and drain terminals. So next thing we are going to do is polysilicon deposition. So before polysilicon is going to be deposited, so we have to move on to the one more step that is known as formation of thin oxide. So here the silicon dioxide which is having 0.1 micrometer thickness is grown all over the chip surface and then polysilicon is deposited on top of the thin oxide. So here next step is ion implantation. So where the substrate is heated to the higher temperature around 1000 degrees Celsius and then p-type impurities are allowed in the form of a gas. So here will be forming source and drain terminals which is of p-type. Then the next step is formation of insulating layer with the help of silicon dioxide. So one more layer of silicon dioxide is deposited all over the surface which give extra protection to the gate electrode as well as to the other terminals. Next step is contact formation. So here we are going to repeat photolithography process where we are going to form silicon dioxide as well as we are going to deposit photoresist once more and then it is exposed to ultraviolet light and then we are going to perform once more the etching process. So here we need to create contact points for source, drain and gate regions. Finally, the metallization is carried where we are going to deposit the aluminum metal all over the wafer surface for giving interconnections. So here you could see the final structure of PMOS transistor along with the terminals, P-type source, P-type drain and polysilicon gate. Thank you so much.